welcome back to my channel. I'm Amy, and today we are going to take off these nails. I just want to show you how I get them off. These are some Kiss press-ons, medium length, and they're time to go. So I'm going to start with my sanding bit here, and that's just regular old sanding bit. I think it's a medium grit. And then I'm going to use my Melody Susie's hand drill here. And we're going to take this color off. I'm going to take down as much bulk as I can. So let's see how we do here. And I'm just going to show you one nail, and then I'll finish the rest of them, taking all the polish off and taking it down off camera because it's kind of boring to watch. And I just kind of go until I get the polish off. It gets kind of warm if you hold it in one spot for too long, so make sure you move it around. And here I'm just turning my finger so I can see. When you do your own nails, it's kind of hard to see what you're doing. And I'm not a professional, I just do this as my hobby. So these are just little things I've learned to do, watching other YouTubers. I went to the salon a few times when I was younger, and I kind of learned from watching them, but I enjoy doing it myself. Sorry if you hear my dryer running. I have 1,000 things I'm trying to get done, but I wanted to try to get some videos up for you guys since it's been a while. With the pandemic hitting, work has been crazy, so I just really haven't had a whole lot of free time, and today I had a little bit. So now we're just going to go in. If you can see, we're just going to take down as much of that bulk as we can, because that's going to make it easier to soak. Ow. Be careful not to get your skin, like I did. And you'll see some of it's just starting already just to come off here at the back, which is fine. You can see that's very well eaten up at this point, which is what you want because you want to be able to soak it off. And then I'll just take my nippers. I want to make sure I don't get my real nail in there, but we're going to cut this off. Cut down that length. That's just going to be less that I'll have to soak. Alrighty, I'm going to finish this up and I will be right back. Okay, well, apparently what I was trying to show you with this nail didn't record. My computer decided to stop, or my camera decided to stop recording here. So I just had taken these lint-free pads I got from Sally called Hands Down Ultra. Some of the acetone soak off. It's blue, but get a good coat on there. I have these nice little clips. So you're just gonna slide that right on. Make sure that's in there nice and tight. Just like so. I want to finish the rest of these fingers, and I'll be back in about 20 minutes to see how we're looking. Alright, it's been probably 15-20 minutes. Let's see what we got going on in here. Ugh. It's all gooey. I've got like this little scraper. I'm just going to go in and see how this works. These are horrible to take off. I hate taking these off, but these were just like a quick nail I wanted to do. So, and if it doesn't all come off, that's okay. We can always just add more soak off and just add a little more cover. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do all the rest of them. Get this all finished up. And I will be back to show you the finished product. Alright, so here we go. They're all cleaned off, and what's left of my nails, I've trimmed them down and shaped them a little bit. So grand total, I think it took me maybe 45 minutes from taking the polish off, trimming them down, and then soaking them off, and then here you go. I will see you on my next video where I'm going to share some nail mail with you guys and try a new set. Thank you.